Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting pre-hackathon spotlight of Levels of a Mind. I'm Neil Jain, participant in this hackathon. In this video, I'll walk you through the journey of building my project, a AI trend tracker or social media engagement analyzer, which is a task given in this hackathon using cutting-edge technologies. Let's dive in. So the backbone of my project revolves around Langflow. Langflow is an intuitive framework designed to create and manage complex workflows especially in AI powered applications. Next up is DataStax DB or database. This is NoSQL database built on Cassandra known for its scalability and high performance. I use DataStax Astra DB to store and query the social media data efficiently. And next is Hugging Face, a platform famous for its pre-trained AI models. I leveraged Hugging Face to generate embeddings for social media data. What are embeddings, you ask? Well, they are representations of text that capture the context and meaning behind the words. By using Hugging Face models, I transformed raw text into structured data that could be further analyzed. And Grok model, which is an innovative AI accelerator that supercharges machine learning models. Grok's architecture enabled my workflows to process embeddings at lightning speeds. Think of it as the engine that drives complex computation efficiently. In my case, Langflow helped orchestrate the entire process from gathering social media data to analyzing it and generating insights. Langflow was a key in defining the workflow. First, it ingested raw social media data like shares, comments, post types, example, carousel, reels, static images as input. Next, it passed this data through DataStax. Use components like DataStax for storage and retrieval and Hugging Face models for generating embeddings. Finally, it handed over the processed data to Grok models and GPT based insight generation. So Grok model are used for data analyzing or generating insights. For instance, when analyzing large datasets like social media user dataset, which I used as a file, STDB ensures that I could retrieve the necessary data in real time. It's incredibly fast and reliable. And Hugging Face is used to generate embeddings for social media data. These are the vector embeddings. This step was crucial because embeddings allow us to compare, classify, and cluster the data in a meaningful way. And using Grok for data analyzing and generating insights. And through this generating insights process, we create a markdown file for the data which looks like this. Now let's take a closer look at the retrieval augmented generation pipeline, which forms the backbone of this project. The RAGs pipeline is a method where we combine information retrieval and the power of large language models like GPT to generate highly contextual and accurate responses. It all starts with the data. I use socialmedia.csv file containing likes, saves, comments, and post types for user engagement metrics, which is task given in this hackathon. This data is loaded into workflow through the file component. Next, the data is processed by split text component here. The text is broken into smaller chunks of 500 tokens with an overlap of 200 tokens to ensure context is preserved between chunks. Why is this important? Because analyzing text in smaller manageable pieces makes it easier for the AI to process and generate insights efficiently. Once the text is chunked, it passes into the Hugging Face embedding component. This is where the magic happens. I used the Hugging Face BAI BGE large ENV V1.5 model to convert the text into embeddings. Basically, numerical representation of the text meaning and context like this. These embeddings are like fingerprints for the text, capturing its essence in a format that the AI can understand. After generating models, they are stored in the DataStax Astra DB. Astra DB acts as a vector store, enabling fast and efficient retrieval of data when needed. This is a key part of the RAG pipeline, retrieving relevant information from the database to augment GPT's responses. If we need to analyze user engagement metrics, the RAG pipeline queries SRDB to fetch relevant embeddings, which are then fed into GPT for further processing. The final step is the retrieval and generation process. With the embeddings retrieved, GPT analyzes the data to produce actionable insights. Whether it's identifying likes, comments, shares, etc. The results are then displayed in the format that's easy to understand, completing the workflow, which is markdown. We generated. This RAG pipeline is a game changer because it combines the speed of retrieval system with the intelligence of generative AI models. Now let's test in the playground for some prompts. So the prompt is summarize the peak engagement times for my audience across platforms. This is the peak engagement times for your audience. Generating insights and advices. So building this project was an incredible learning experience. The combination of Langflow, DataStax database, Hugging Face, Grok, and GPT allowed me to create powerful tool for social media performance analysis. Of course, it wasn't without its challenges. Integrating multiple tools required careful planning, and optimizing data flow was a bit tricky. But that's the beauty of hackathons. It pushes you to grow and think outside the box. I hope you enjoyed. And if you are participating in this hackathon too, let's connect. I'd love to hear about your project's workflow. I put my social media and links in the description box. Go check it out. Thanks for watching.